Yes. So, this young man's chance came one day. Late one summer, when the ice cools down, when a merchant from Norway decided to stay in Iceland over the winter rather than to risk the winter seas. Your ship can go down. If you heard about the Titanic, how the iceberg broke the ship and it sank it. He decided to stay back in Iceland, a Norway businessman, a merchant who used to travel around by ships. So Aun worked for this captain on the ship all winter in exchange for passage aboard his ship back to Norway the following spring. Now he used to work on the ship, do his work, sell him goods and all, but only to give him access. Passage means to give him permission to aboard his ship. Aboard his ship means to go on his ship back to Norway in the following spring, when the next season changes, the springtime when it comes. The ice melts and he could go to Norway too for his adventure. Now, when the ice started to crack and the days got longer, the nights and the days, Norway, the midnight sun. I've been there in 1984. It's a wonderful place. The day of the voyage was at hand. That means the days are coming close. Ahun gives all his savings, whatever he has earned, to his mother. And he tells her that this is going to take care of you till I return back. See how he loves his mother also. He could have taken his money and gone also with him on the voyage, right? That he will need to eat, but he doesn't care. A person who is faithful, a person who is true at heart, will have no fear in life. Who fears God, who always prays to God, God will take care of him. So he gave all his money to his old mother. She has to stay there. She has to take care of herself. So this will take care of you until I return, he told her, he said. And his mother asked, when will you come back, my son? Because she always thought the dangers, the mother always thinks about her son, that he'll be going on sea. Sea journey is very dangerous. It might be having big ships, but you don't know when what's going to happen. Same in the train, same in the plane, same on your bike, same in the car. Mothers are always concerned. It's a huge, long journey. She was fearing the dangers in the sea about these long voyages. 3 years from, oh my God, he said, 3 years from now. It's going to take 3 years for me to come back. He kissed her. They wept a little bit, cries always happen, and they said their goodbyes. So Aun sailed west with the captain of the ship to Greenland. They started going to Greenland, towards Greenland, where they stayed for almost a year and did business. Now in Greenland, suddenly Ahun sees this great bear, a polar bear in Greenland, white color. Polar bears are white, beautiful. He was amazed by seeing the raw beauty, this beauty of the jungle, the huge white polar bear. And before they again set to sail for that 1 year's time, they were trying to go to Norway from Greenland. He gave all his savings, again that 1 year which he owned, and everything he owned but the clothes on his back. He gave all his savings and everything he owned but the clothes on his back to buy one of, only he kept one pair of clothes for him, to buy one of these majestic animals and take it with him. He gave everything, only for clothes for me to come back, for me to live. I'll keep rest, I'll give. I just want to buy this majestic animal and take it with me. Now, he did not buy it for himself. He thought it in his mind, what a fine gift this will be. He thought an excitement. This treasure of a bear will be for the king of Denmark, King Sven. But the captainship was bound for Norway. So, Aun said, okay, no problem, we can stop there first. No problem. Now there was a king of Norway and there's a king of Denmark. Both were not part. So he said, okay, we'll stand there. So they docked. Dock means where you park your ship. So they docked their ship not far away from the castle of the king Harald, the king of Norway. Word soon got about Ahun's that amazing bear, Everyone came to know. They are docking their businessman, they are doing business, they are selling their stuff, buying stuff. And you just don't park a ship or you dock a ship, You just dock a ship, you say in the morning and you say, I'm going to leave in the evening. It's not that. When you dock at a place, you are going to stay there for at least 4-5 months, a year. Your ship has to get ready, maintenance is there, you do some business, you earn some money, again you go off on a voyage. It's like that. Okay, so I'll come back in the next video.